Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to show you how to get a Kikoff Secured Credit Card. If you don't have a Kikoff account, we will put our affiliate link in the description below. To start, open the website. Then click on Login. Now, log in with your email and password. Once you're logged in, you will see several options on the left side menu. Click on the option that says Secure Card. On this page, you'll see an overview of the Kikoff Secure Credit Card. So this is only available if you upgrade your account to Kikoff Premium. To proceed, scroll down, and you'll see a button for Get the Card. Click on Get the Card. A pop-up window will then appear, confirming your change of plan. To proceed, click on the tick box to confirm that you read and agree to the terms. Then click on the Confirm button. Next, read the account agreement, privacy policy, and e-sign consent. Click on the hyperlinks to direct you to those disclosures. Once done, click on the tick box to confirm that you have read and agree. Then click on the button that says Agree and Sign Up. Now, you have successfully signed up for Kikoff Secured Credit Card. Next thing to do is to confirm your home address. This will also be used for shipping your card. If you wish to make changes, click on Update Address, then enter the changes. But if everything's good, click on Next. It will also inform you that a deposit of $50 is required to build credit and get a physical card. To proceed, click on Next. So once your account is funded, you can start using your virtual card. To continue, click on Next. In setting up direct deposit, you could choose either to set up or skip for now. If you wish to, click on the Setup button. Then follow the on-screen instructions. Otherwise, click on Skip for now. After that, you can proceed downloading the app by scanning the QR code or receive a download link via text. That's how you get a Kikoff Secured Credit Card. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.